Greetings from the Lyceum. It's nice to see you all once again, my dear friends. I am very happy. The reason is very simple. I met my teacher. I met my TPM guru after nearly 22 years. And we just had some wonderful discussion. And during that discussion, I just put up one point. Sir, still people are thinking, whenever we say the word total productive maintenance, it belongs to maintenance department. And maintenance is the one who will be taking care of all such things. Then immediately he replied me, don't tell anymore total productive maintenance. Start calling it as total productive management. Then let us see how people are reacting. That was fantastic. It was fantastic. And teachers are always teachers. And I had a fantastic session with him, nearly 20-25 minutes. A very refreshing session. More inputs, more insights he has provided. That is one part of it. And now we will coming back to the same question. Whenever we say the word total productive maintenance, people are thinking it belongs to maintenance. And the maintenance will come and take care of it. Yes, of course. TPM, total productive maintenance, starts from the maintenance department in a company. A big corporation's maintenance department has taken the initiative and they started it. No doubt in it. But as we progress further, TPM has become a standalone management concept, a fantastic change management program, a program that can change the organization, a program that can bring the organization to the right direction, and a program that can bring again and again the organization to the right direction based on the outside competition. So that is one of the most important things. Now, but what is happening in industries? For the first and foremost request I can put it to the top management. Sir, please increase headcount in the maintenance department. The reason is very simple. We have seen from some other organization or some other country's organization, and he has started reducing manpower in maintenance department. So maintenance people are always busy with repairs. Please note the word I used, I said repair. They are always busy in doing repairs. And they are very happy in doing the repairs. Now, because of this continued activity like this, they are very happy in taking care of the repairs. Now we will come back to the important aspect in the management, which is meant for management. Maintenance is termed as a cost center. It spends money. But TPM is the only program which is trying to change that image. It says no, maintenance is not just a cost center, it can be a profit center too, provided we understand the activities in maintenance and start working on that. Now, some important things that are coming to my mind. Some important things. Number one, I used to ask the people, I am asking the maintenance department, I am asking why breakdowns are happening. And people are telling so many reasons, and I need to remind them. Breakdowns are happening because of the deterioration in the system, deterioration in the machines. So if we are looking for the so-called zero breakdown or any targeted activities, I must go to the root of the problem. Here the breakdowns are caused because the machine or system or anything is deteriorating, and my duty is to restore it or keep it in the usable condition, which is meant for usable. Basic conditions that are meant for basic usable conditions. Fine, that's fine. So, maintenance department. Maintenance is a function where it is started activity. Number one, run to failure. The first and foremost concept, foremost philosophy in maintenance is allow the machine to run to failure, break down, then do the repair. So the first and foremost strategy will always be run to failure. A failure driven approach, a breakdown concept, a reactive mode. Each and every time the machine will be allowed to run and it goes to and break down and then do the repair and then correct it and give it back to the production. And from there people started learning something and then they thought, oh, if we start doing something the machine will not get the last lap. So they started doing a time-driven maintenance. It's a preventive maintenance. In this preventive maintenance concept, the time is important thing. And now we start doing some cleaning, all these things. It is based on time. And then comes the third one is that the predictive maintenance. It is condition-based, condition-driven maintenance strategy. Now, again this is a staircase strategy. I need to go 1, then 2 and then 3. I cannot jump to 3. And even in the greatest scholars on maintenance, like Mr. Andrew Jardine and Albert Sang, they said maintainability, replacement, these are all closely related. And now he said he is adding 2 more dimensions. Another strategy. That total productive maintenance is people-driven concept. People-centered maintenance strategy, whereas a reliability-centered maintenance is a design-centered. Again, we need to apply, we need to involve people so that everybody is putting the best effort. And always, let us remember what Deming said. We are ruined by our best efforts. Without knowing why, without knowing what to do, doing the best is always counterproductive. So, the most important point is breakdown maintenance, right? Machine has broken down, informed to maintenance. People came, repaired the machine, corrected the machine, and the machine is handed over to production for productive activity. No, is that all over? No. Now the people have to come back, the maintenance team has to come back and start doing something which is very precious called thinking. They have to do a analysis, why analysis, why the machine has broken down. Find out the reasons, finally come to the root cause of the problem. And then this most important point, this needs to be go back to the preventive maintenance checkpoints. And then we grow by breakdowns. We get lot of knowledge through breakdown, but it has to be stopped at one particular point of time because we cannot keep on waiting for this to happen. So preventive maintenance, a time-based strategy is coming into play. Then from there, I am involving all people, especially the owner, the user of the machines, the production team, and I start doing this autonomous maintenance activities. The first and foremost thing in autonomous maintenance activities is from my breakdown history, from the machine history, I come to know that there are so many breakdowns, but these breakdowns are because of these reasons. And then finally I group all these things into basic condition of the machine, which we call it as CLIRT, clean, inspection, lubrication and retightening. These are all the most important things that need to be followed in a manufacturing sector. Okay, fine, I am doing it. And from there, the idea is that I am putting my effort, I am putting my contribution so that the deterioration which are happening because of this not taking care of this basic conditions. I call this as forced deterioration, accelerated deterioration. So by doing an autonomous maintenance concept, by involving people, by involving production team, all the operators who are all using this equipment, the basic conditions are in place. Hence the breakdown, still the breakdown will happen. But now the breakdowns are happening because of the natural deterioration, not because of this forced deterioration. Once that is done, now I am taking this to the next level. I am taking to this next level. What I am doing or what I am supposed to do? This is very simple. Very simple. I am fixing this CLIRT to the operators, and then the forced deteriorations are coming down. Because the reason is very simple, because I am maintaining the basic conditions. I clean the machine, I lubricate the machine, I inspect the machine, I retighten the machine wherever it is needed. And now maintenance is coming into play as a specialist. They are specialists and they are supposed to do a specialist activity, and they are working on improving the life of the machine, actual useful life of the machine. How to improve? Here we bring in the various concepts like first measure the concept, mean time between failures, and all such things are coming into. And then from here I slowly move into the condition based maintenance. Slowly I am moving into the condition. So let us not forget about the activities that are helpful, and then slowly, gradually they are becoming mandatory in the manufacturing sector. I need to take care of my machine. A maintenance department with a very few people cannot solve this problem. So I am involving the production team also. Having done that, I must get the benefit out of it. When I say I have to get the benefit out of it, means when I train my production team to do some basic activity, I must get the result out of it. That means it must be productive. And hence maintenance department, maintenance function can move from a cost center to a profit center. See how much components you are replacing and how much component you are having, and the beauty is that, please understand, the beauty is the maintenance will have a very big store with all the spare parts, critical spares list. Based on the organization's size, it runs into few lakhs and then few crores also. But whenever a breakdown comes, people will always go and buy the material. What happened? What happened to our engineering skills? Each and every time it is happening. Please understand, by changing my thought process, I am changing. And that is the first and foremost thing in the change management. I need to change. If I change, then everything around me will change. If I am not changing, then even everything around me will be changing. Then I will not allow those things to change. So the condition is first me. I start changing, I start improving, and then slowly I understand, I realize that maintenance is no longer a cost center. Maintenance is a profit center. It can be a profit center. And then now coming back to the first question we discussed, the total productive maintenance. Okay, let us say total productive management also. But the most important point what I am trying to discuss is, whenever we discuss about this, please note, this is not only a cost saving program. This is not a cost saving program. This is not a cycle time reduction program. TP. So it has to be excellence in production. It aims at excellence in production. So when we say productive, means excellence in production and excellence in quality, and then excellence in maintenance also. When we start thinking in that direction, when I start moving all my activities, my thought process, my activities, my fellow people, everything, I make them as a mass movement. When I start traveling towards that excellence in my maintenance, then this productive word is useful, meaningful. And having said that, now the first and foremost thing in maintenance, yes, we learn from breakdowns, but we cannot continue to learn from breakdowns forever. So we need to take up these messages to a time-based preventive maintenance program. And this preventive maintenance program along with the breakdown also is happening, so that now I start moving towards condition based. While measuring the condition of an equipment or the internal component or whatever it is making that machine to be in operation, now I need to work on the time based strategy also. Now I need to work on the condition based strategy. This is not either or question. I need to do both. But maybe the strategy may change, the intensity may change. But I need to do preventive. There will be breakdowns. I need to attend the breakdowns. I need to do a lot of preventive maintenance concept. Yeah, just tick marking this is not enough. And then I need to involve my autonomous maintenance team. And then from there I need to move to the condition based maintenance, where I start monitoring the life of those things. Egg bearing, belt, drives, chain drives, everything. Shaft and shaft alignment. Alignments are important. Maintenance engineering is important and maintenance management is important. Now, repair, neither maintenance engineering is coming nor maintenance management is coming. It is just a repair. We need to go one step above, and from there another one step. A journey, a continuous journey, a continuous improvement journey, aimed at excellence in maintenance. Let us discuss more on excellence in maintenance. What are all the criteria? What are all the criteria? What are all the important points and attributes to be excellence in maintenance? See you in one more video next time. Thank you, my dear friends. Share your thoughts, share your comments. Let us convert this as a healthy discussion